Hi guys, I'm Jay. This is Make Money with Video, and in today's video we're going to look at YouTube channel ideas. Now, I've made some previous videos called niche 5 niches without showing your face. This is a similar, and let's get into it, guys. This is my channel. I'm just going to put it on big because I know you don't want to see my face. This is my channel. I share videos of how to make money with video on different platforms such as TikTok, Fiverr, Etsy, using different video creating softwares. And I also share different niches, what I find, different channel ideas. And if you're a beginner, these are great to watch. And let's get into it, guys. Here are 5 different channels. Now, this one's called 1 million tests, and it's like, well, obviously a test. This is, I mean, they've got nearly 750,000 subscribers. They're making quite a good money, getting 2.5 million viewers every 30 days. And yeah, they're doing like quizzes and tests and stuff like that, guys. Quite easy to make. Like these have just got like images on top of a screen, and yeah, they're quite easy, these guys. You don't have to show your face, which is good. If you want to check them out, come on, check them out. There's some good quizzes here. You can kind of get lost if you can't start doing these quizzes. Next one, guys, is travel niche, and it's World According to Briggs. He's got over 500,000 subscribers. He's doing really well, and over nearly 6 million views a month. And he's going to different places. He's not showing. I mean, sorry, he's not actually going to the places. He's just showing like images and that. He doesn't actually go anywhere that I know of, or he might do. But they're like stock images and stock photos. Look, cartoons. You don't have to travel to be in the travel niche. You can just, there's lots of stuff on the internet you can actually show and use. Like 10 places that will pay you to move there. Yeah, Portland's homeless population. 10 reasons people still move to Oregon. Yeah, and it's just different things like that, and they're all different like facts and stuff like that about different places. Even if you're into the travel industry, check out this channel. It's really good, really interesting as well. Now, this one, guys, it's Practical Wisdom. I'm not sure how many subscribers, but they're making not bad money. Yeah, we've got over 1 million views a month, and it's the these videos look like stock videos. Yeah, nine best things to do in your retirement. It's just stock videos of different people. Look, like old people and that, like sat on benches and stuff like that. How businesses manage money. Now, you can get lots of different money clips and like images and videos and stuff like that. And they're all like videos of how to like get better. I can't think of the. Is it like? I don't know what the niche is called for this, but it's self-improvement. That's what it's called, guys. And they're all different ones, and they're easy to make these because they're all like stock images and stock videos are free. Yeah. And the next one, guys, is another scary one, and he's called Mr. Nightmare. 5 million subscribers. That's how much he's making a month. Over 12 million views. That's awesome, that, guys. And yeah, and this one, he is talking about like disturbing hackers, like stories, lockdown stories. These are all like true stories and that what he's found over the internet, and he puts like a background and he talks over it. Yeah, so like he put like a scary picture, like look at that, it looks a bit daunting, doesn't it? You know, these images, and then he just reads them out like into the microphone, uploads the audio on top of a video or a picture, and it's creepy, but they work, guys. Look, over 12 million people come to his channel every month, yeah, just to watch. Well, they just listen, basically. That's all you do. You listen to it, and he is doing very, very well. So if you're into that, guys, and you want to just read, you don't even have to do the scary stories. You can do true stories. They don't have to be scary, do they? You can do, you can read children's books, I imagine, if you just want to read. Another one, mysteries, yeah? So I know it says scary mysteries, and I've just done another scary one, but this one is more about mysteries rather than, yeah? And he's got 678,000 subscribers, over 1.4 million views every month, and doing quite well as well. And these, yeah, scary mysteries of the month, yeah, for March, creepy cases, main UFO sightings, 5 murders that, yeah. So these they're not always scary. And again, what he does, he reads over it, shows clips of the maybe of the crime or the mystery, and you can get all this on the internet, guys. So that's it for today, guys. That is 5 different niche ideas, 5 different YouTube channel ideas. Yeah. And the last 2, guys, are just reading over a picture or an image or a video. And that's how easy it is. So you don't have, if you want to do mysteries, you can do mysteries. If you want to do children's books, you want to do comic books, that might be a good one, actually. And because the comic book, you can just show the pictures, can't you? And then just read it. And all these channel ideas, guys, is without showing your face, and they're all making money. So if you're new to YouTube and you're looking for it, hopefully these have helped. And if they have, give us a thumbs up, please. And until next time, guys, I'm Jay Roberts, the Geeky Dad, and yeah.